to our next lesson. Class, can you see that?
Opo.
All right, so we'll start. Humina yata yung signal. So you are 21 now, so let's start. Okay, this is multiplying fractions. Okay, so 1/2 times 1/4. You have 10 seconds. Go. Okay, so the correct answer is, yes, the red one. That is 1/8. So I'm wondering why someone answered 1/16. The blue one. It's numerator to numerator, multiplying numerator to numerator, 1 times 1, and then 2 times 4. Denominator to denominator. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 4 is 8. So the answer should be 1/8. Somebody also answered 1/4. So how come? Did you review for this one? Did you prepare for mathematics? Or you just sit down and wait for this class without any preparation? Okay, next. Celia uses 4/8 cup of juice in recipe. What is the simplest form of this fraction? Okay, the correct answer is C. Next. Multiply as fast as you can. Okay, the correct answer is 1/20. Okay, that is 4 times 5. Denominator, 4 times 5 is 20. 1 times 1 numerator is 1. Okay, Okay, multiply as fast as you can. Okay, the correct answer is 112. So the blue one. Okay, bakit nagkakamali pa rin? Denominator nga to denominator, just multiply. Numerator to numerator, just multiply. Next. Again, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Okay, the correct answer is 1 over 21. Why? Because the denominators are 7 and 3. So what is 7 times 3? The answer is 21. And the numerators are just 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer is 1 over 21. Again, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. That is 20 seconds. You can do cancellation if possible. Okay, the correct answer is, that is right, 1/6. So you're going to cancel. So that is the resulting, the outcome after you simplify that equation. Next, I think this is the last one. So here is leading. Multiply again as fast as you can. So 1/2 times 12. By the way, class, skip nyo ito kasi kamali ng options. Wala yung sagot dyan. Ayan. So the option is not there. So disregard this one. The answer is there should be what? Anyone? Ano dapat ang sagot doon? Yes, Amer?
6.
6. The answer there should be 6. Okay, very good. So anyway, the result is not that reliable because of the question, the last question. But still, we're going to award a 3. Okay, anyway, one question lang naman yun. So Aliyah, Kia, and Percy. Okay, congratulations. Just the last question because the option number, or the last option, or the options for the last questions, there's no correct answer for that. The answer should be 6. Okay, so there you have it. So we will continue. So as you observe, what we have reviewed is multiplication of fractions. And last time I asked you to study about the reciprocal and how or how we reciprocate. Did somebody read about that one? Because we're going to use this as we discuss division of fractions. Did you review for that? Or did you read about that? Or did you at least do advanced reading about our lesson that is on page 100 of your book? Okay, were you able to do that? How do we reciprocate? So we're going to answer that question as we, okay, have this lesson, which is the division of fractions. Okay, again, our lesson is how to divide or dividing fractions. So I'm going to share it now. Okay, for example, look at the picture on your monitor. So, for example, that is a wood, the whole thing. Okay, so imagine that is a wood. And if you look at it, the wood is divided into 3 parts. Okay, so the fractions is drawn from that. So again, that is one piece of wood, and it is divided into three parts. So we can say that the brown part, that is what? That is two-thirds. Two-thirds of the whole wood. And we have the yellow one, which is another one-third. So, but focus on the two-thirds part. Okay? That is 2 out of 3. Now, for example, you want to divide the brown part or the two-thirds part of the wood into 4. So how would you do that? Okay? Again, you have originally this wood, and it is divided into 3 parts. And the brown part is two-thirds. And you just want to divide the brown part or the two-third part of that wood into 4. Okay? In Tagalog, gusto nyo hati-hatiin sa 4 yung two-thirds. So definitely what will happen? Okay, please take a look at this visualization because it is very important. Look at that. So ginawa ko lang blue yung class yung sa yellow part para makita yung hati. But by looking at this picture, we can see that the first one, it is 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. And then we divide it into, the brown part, rather, is divided into 4. So kung hahatiin sa 4, so kung titinan yung class yung the whole figure, magiging ilang parts na siya? Yes, naging 6 parts. Pero doon lang kayo mag-focus sa two-thirds na part. So naging 4 siya, di ba? So tigi ilan yun? Bawat isa. Okay? So since we are looking for since we are looking for the answer here, so ang gagawin ninyo is ayan, tingnan tong part na to, yung second picture. Nakita nyo na naging 4 sila, kaya may count sa 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 parts na siya. Kasi nahati nga sa 4. Okay? So if you're going to look at it, ayan, so naging 4 parts, so that is 1/4 bawat isa. So we're looking for the 1/4 of two-thirds. Okay? 1/4 of two-thirds para makuha natin yung sagot. So ilan na ngayon yung resulting when we divide it by 4? So the answer there is 1/6. Okay? Paano nangyari yon? So I'm going to explain it through this way. Okay. So we have this an illustration on how to divide it. But this visualization is clear enough, I think, na nakita ninyo kung paano naging 1/6 yung sagot. Actually, class, I'm going to, muna ha. Ayan. Maglagay tayo ng table. So, ang gusto mong i-divide is two-thirds. Let's take a look kung ano yung pinatype ko sa ating monitor. So, originally, ang gusto mong i-divide is two-thirds. You want to divide it by, enter tayo ng division. Okay, you divide it by 4. That is equal to. So again, look at this picture, yung inaano ko ha, yung ito, gagalawin ko siya. Ayan. Ayan, this one. So originally, this is the part of the wood. Ito yung gusto nating hatiin, yung brown part. So, gustong hatiin saan? Sa ilan? 4. Okay, bakit naging 1/4, sir? Kasi nga 4 parts na siya ngayon. So, naging 1/4. So, we're looking for what? Hanapin natin yung isang part nun, kung ilan yun. So, titingnan natin yung 1/4, kasi isa lang yung kukunin nating result doon kasi inhati nga sa 4. 1/4 of two-thirds. So, isulat natin siya dito. So, dito sa part na to, hinanap natin yung 1/4 of two-thirds. Okay? At sinabi ko yung last time na kapag naghahanap tayo ng gumamit tayo rather ng of, that is means multiplication. Okay? But sir, I thought that is division. Yes, but then you are looking for 1/4 of two-thirds. So you're going to multiply. So pag multiply nyo yan, definitely, and 1 times 2, that is 2. 4 times 3 is That is 12. 212 is equivalent to 16. So, bawat isa nito, ilagay ko ha, bawat isa nito is equivalent to 16. So, 16, 16 din to. So, nung hinatian mo siya sa apat, 16 yung sagot. Even yung blue one, kasi part pa rin siya ng wood, hindi mo lang siya kasinama sa hatian. That is still 16. Okay? So, ito, 16 din to lahat, kasi nga 6 parts siya. But, again, please focus on the red part, portion. Red. Sorry, that's not red, that's brown part. Okay? So, there you have it. So, how it happened? Dito nyo siya titingnan, class. Ayan. Sa rule natin. First, keep the first fraction the same. Ayan. Again, keep the first fraction the same. So, balikan natin. Paano siya magiging the same? Ito yung original, di ba? Okay. So, kung i-the-same natin sa class, kopyahin nyo lang yung 2/3. Okay? Okay. Up to 2/3. Kasi nga, keep it same. That is rule number 1. Rule number 2. Okay, according to that one is change the division sign to a multiplication sign. There you have it. So, papalitan daw yung division sign. This one. So, i-highlight natin ng red para makita ninyo. So, i-change natin siya into multiplication. Okay? Yan. Ngayon, nagme-make sense na ba kung bakit kanina naging 1/4 of 2/3 naging multiplication? Yes, because that is based from our rule. Next. Okay, let's proceed to the next rule. Flip. Take note of that. Flip the second fraction over to write the reciprocal. So kung titignan nyo yung class dito, A, B. Ito yung kunwari fraction. Tingnan nyo yung arrow. A, B pa rin. Same. Yung division sign naging multiplication sign. And then yung CD, that is the divisor, tingnan nyo, nabaliktad siya. Naging DC. Okay? DC. So if you're going to go back here, paano sir yung reciprocal ng 4? Okay, so ano ba ang denominator ng 4? What is the denominator of 4? Anyone? I mentioned that before last time. Aliyah, what is the denominator of 4? That is a whole number. Yes. The denominator of 4 is 1. Now, if you have 1, okay, gamitin natin ito muna ha. Alisin ko muna to. So if you have 1 here, as your denominator, so gusto mo siyang i-flip, so ano yung magiging sagot? Okay, i-flip natin. So that's how you flip. Yan. So from 4 over 1, magiging ano siya? Okay, definitely magiging 1/4. Okay? That's how you flip. So lahat ng whole number class, pag flip ninyo, yung 1 mapupunta sa taas, tapos yung number na kinukuha natin yung reciprocal mapupunta sa baba. Okay, halimbawa, we want to get the, let's say we have 8. So the denominator of 8 is 1. So pag flip natin siya magiging 1/8. Okay, let's say 20. Okay, 20 over 1. So pag flip natin magiging 120. So that is what we call the, okay. So, ilalagay ko lang. This one, we call it the reciprocal. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng reciprocal. So, para mas madali maintindihan, ano yung ginamit natin? Flip. So, kung nakikita nito class, i-flip nyo lang, babalik ta rin. Para makuha natin yung reciprocal ng number. Okay? So, if we will go back here, ayan. So, kung ito ay may denominator na 4, so magiging ano yan? 4 over 1. Okay? So, pag flip natin, so that is 2/3 times 1 over 4. That's equal to, okay. So, kuha lang ako class ng isang slide dito para maipakita ko. I-duplicate ko lang siya. Alright. Nasaan na yan? Hindi ito. Dalhin ko lang siya dito. Ayan. Isulat natin ulit, ha? So, 2/3. Tapos nag-flip na tayo. Naging 1/4. So, dito yan galing, ha? Ito yan. Ito yan. So, i-highlight ko. Diyan. Diyan siya nang galing. So, 2/3 times 1/4 na siya. Okay, ngayon, pwede mo na sagutan. Ano yung magiging sagot natin? Copy natin to. Ayan, ano magiging sagot? So, since multiplication na siya, madali na siyang masagutan. So, 2 times 1, that is 2. 3 times 4, that is 12. So, you get the lowest term. So, what is the lowest term of 2/12? Okay, the answer is... Sige, lagay natin dito. The answer is 1/6. And that is the final answer. Okay? Nag-make sense yung kaninang visualization natin? Definitely, yes. Papasok lang. So that is 1/6. Ulitin natin. So from here, lagyan natin ng mga parenthesis para makita nyo lang na yung unang part, second part, third part, and the last part or fourth part. Natigo 1/6 bawat parts. Ayan. Kaya from there, ulitin ko lang, from 2/3, so nahati sa 4, so magiging ano siya, hanapin mo ngayon yung 1/4 of 2/3, or kahit baliktad, tama, 1/4 of 2/3. Kasi nga, into 4 parts mo siya hahatiin. So that is 1/6. Okay? There you have it. So in other example here, paano natin siya ipapakita? So let's say we have, okay, let's say we have 1/2. Example natin yung 1/2. You want it to divide by, okay, by 8. So that is equal to, ulit, yung rule natin, just copy the first fraction. Just copy that one. And then, i-change yung division sign into multiplication sign. And then, after that, ayan, i-flip yung 8. So, flipping 8 means getting the reciprocal of 8. So, that is 1/8. Because the reciprocal of, the denominator of 8 is 1. So, you can now multiply. This 1/16. So this is the final answer. So it means in this division of fraction, we'll have actually still multiplication because we do the flipping of the number or getting the reciprocal of the number. You get it? Okay, next. Another example. Nasaan na yun? Ayan. Clear muna natin. Let's say 2/5 That is, ay, hindi siya times. Divided by 2. No, gusto mong hatiin sa dalawa. Equals. Again, copy the first fraction. Change the division sign into multiplication sign. Then flip the second one, a divisor. So flipping that one will give us 1/2 equals. So pwede mag-cancellation. So i-cancel to, i-cancel to. So magiging sagot ay 1/5. Okay? There you have it. Next, what if the fraction is this way? 2/5 divided by 1/3 is equivalent to, ayan. Ayan, may fraction na ulit, hindi na sa whole number. So madali na to class kasi i-flip nyo lang siya. So copy 2/5, change the division into multiplication, and then flip 1/3. So flipping 1/3 means we'll give 3/1. And that is 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 1 is 5. There you go. The answer is improper fraction. So what are we going with this improper fraction? We'll change this to mixed number. So divide natin. So ilang 5 meron sa 6? That is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. And then 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer is 1 and 1/5. So this is the final answer. To check, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1, that is 6. So 6/5. Okay? Any question regarding the one? So okay, let's try. Let's try to do the, show me board activity. Will you please get it? All right. So this is the first question. Okay, let me see that. The question is 4/5 divided by 5. Okay, ready, go. Please stay done if you're finished answering or done answering.
Done.
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 Okay,
Done.
very
Done.
good. Okay, let me see your answers now. Please show it to the screen. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right, that is... Okay, that is... How about the others? Hindi maka-open ng cam? Okay, that is 4/25. Okay, please give a score for that. Upper right. Okay, explain natin. So again, this is the rule. Copy. Change the division into multiplication. And then flip 5. Again, reciprocal is same with flip. And then after that, you multiply 4 times 1, that is 4. 5 times 5, that is 25. So the correct answer is 4 over 25. Okay, okay, let's proceed to number 2. Mhm. 3/5 times 2/3. Okay, ready? Go. Ay, hindi pala siya class times. Divide. Okay, erase natin. Ayan, divide yan. Alright. Okay. Go.
Done.
Done?
Done.
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 Okay. So in count of 3, 3, 2, 1, show your answer. Okay, let me see it. See it. Okay, okay, all right. So I can see that most of you got a correct answer. So the correct answer there is 9/10. Okay? So again, I'm going to explain. Please take a look. Okay, copy. Change division into multiplication. And then flip the divisor. So, pabalik rin lang. Take note, class. Division and multiplication is what? Connected. So, when you reciprocate, kaya siya nagiging multiplication. Kaya ni-reciprocate mo or fill-in-it. Kaya kung division siya, magiging multiplication. Pag fill-in-it mo na naman, magiging division. So, pwede sila magpalit. Division and multiplication. So, we can now multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 5 times 2 is 10. That is why the answer is 9/10. Okay, let's proceed to number 3. Okay. So we have 2/7 divided by 10. Ready? Go. If the answer is improper, please simplify or change that to mixed number.
Done. Done.
Okay, done?
Done.
Okay, very good.
Done.
Done.
Papasa na lang ng recordings. Alright, so let's check your answers in 3, 2, 1, go. Ayan, iba-iba na ng sagot. What happened? 1 over 35. Okay. Sige nga, let's try to answer here. Be honest ha, pag mali ang sagot, pag ano. So, copy, di ba? 2 over 7. Kasi nagkaiba-iba na kayo ng sagot. Change the division into multiplication. And then, flip. So, the flipping that will give 10. Okay, did you get it? So, kasi merong naman nakakuha ng mga tamang sagot, but then may nagkaiba-iba na kasi. Kaya, ina-explain ko muna. So, 1 times is 2, and then we have 70 times 10 is 70. So, getting the lowest term of 2/70ths. So the answer there is 1 over half of 35, what half of 70 is 35. So the correct answer is 1 over 35. Who got it right? Who got correct answer? Okay, a point for that. Meron kasi hindi nag-flip ng 10. Kaya mali yung sagot. So, ang ginawa niya, 10 over 1. Dapat i-flip mo yun, gagawin mo siyang 1 over 10. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Question number 4. Alright, so that is 2 over 9 divided by 4 over 5. Okay, ready? Go.
Done.
Done.
Okay,
Done.
done?
Done.
Alright, very good. So let's wait for the others. Meron pa akong nakikita nagsasagot. Okay, let's check it now in 3, 2, 1. Show your answer. The correct answer is, please, pakir lowest term. Lowest term. I need the lowest term. What is the lowest term of 1036? Ayan, tama ito kasi tama kay Nicole, kay Hannah. Tama kay Eman. Tama din. Emer, you check your answer kung bakit mali. 16 kasi yung denominator mo. And Akiko and the rest of you ay hindi naka-lowest term kasi ang 10 over 36 pwede po siyang ma-lowest term. Natin, sagutan natin. Copy. Tapos naging times. Tapos i-flip. So, ang sagot ninyo is 10 over 36. Tama naman nga yun. Kaya lang, ang tanong, is it the final answer? Definitely not. So, lowest term is 5 over 18. GCF is 2. So, divide mo siya by 2. That is when the answer, that is why the answer is 5 over 18. You get it? Yes? Easy, right? Kailangan maging paano lang kayo, maging maingat kasi these are numbers. And you know that in mathematics, kapag nag-deal tayo ng numbers, magkamali ka lang ng isa, mali na lahat. Kaya dapat, wala kang ma-miss na isang kahit isa lang. Halimbawa, yung lowest term lang. Simplification or simplifying. Hindi mo lang siya magawa, so mali na yung sagot. Okay? Kasi ang rule natin dito, kailangan naka-lowest term. Pag improper, kailangan gawing mix. Ganun talaga yung rule sa fraction. Pag improper, gawing na pwedeng ma-lowest term, kailangan i-lowest term. Pero pag lowest term na siya, no need to simplify. Kasi yun na yung final answer. Okay? Now, pang ilang question na yan? 5 na, right? Oh, that is the first part. So, we'll have another discussion and then another 5 items for that. So, ang susunod nating discussion class, how about if we have mixed number? For example, 1 and 1/2 divided by, okay, so 1 and 1/3. So, mixed number. How we're going to what? To divide that 1. Sige nga, any idea? Ano yung pwede natin gawin para ma-divide yon? Ayan. Ano bang ginagawa sa mga mixed number? Diana, anong ginagawa sa mga mixed number? Pag bago mag-multiply or mag-divide. Amer, anong ginagawa sa mixed number bago mag-multiply or divide?
We change it first to improper fraction.
Yes, definitely that is one of the rules that we need to apply. So we need to change into improper fraction. Kaya mahalaga class yung skill na changing improper fraction kasi we're going to apply that. So in this way, i-change muna natin. Pero as yung naunang number, ito class, ayan, itong binax ko, i-improper mo lang so pero hindi mo siya i-reciprocal. Okay? So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So you have 3 halves. So ilagay mo lang dyan. Yung division sign, okay, gagawin mo lang din siyang multiplication. Tapos ito, gawin mo lang siyang improper. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4 over 3. Kaya lang ang tanong, tapos na ba yan dyan? Is it done there? Okay na ba siya? Hindi pa. Kailangan mo pa siyang i-reciprocal itong 4/3 kasi nag-change lang tayo sa improper, hindi pa tayo nagre-reciprocal. So, kopyahin natin siya dito. Kung ang naging mga improper fractions niya ay 3 halves saka 4/3, kailangan i-reciprocal mo pa rin yung divisor. So, kopyahin mo ulit. Tapos i-reciprocal mo yung divisor. So, reciprocal niya is 3/4. O, ano ulit yung ginagamit nating word? Flip. So, after that, saka ka na pwedeng mag-sagot. 3 times 3, that is 9. And then 2 times 4, that is 8. Ito ka ngayon. Yung naging sagot natin is improper. So, kailangan natin siyang gawing mix. Okay? So, pag ginawa natin siyang mix, ano nang mangyayari? So, ganun ulit. Yung anong ginagawa natin pag nagagawa ng mix, dinidivide natin. Okay? May mga iba dyan kaya na mag-mentally. So, 9 divided by 8, that is 1. 1 times 8, that is 8. And then 9 minus 8, that is 1. So, the answer is 1 and 1 over 8. Babalik din naman sa mix. Kuha nyo? So, that's it. So, ganun lang naman yung rules dito, class. Ilan lang yun. Ayan. Okay. Did you get it? Sige nga, let's try to answer this one. Okay, kayo nga. Pag di nakuha, explain ulit ako. Ano ba? Okay, that is number 1. That is a 4 and 1/2 divided by 2 and 2/5. Sorry. 2/5. Okay, already go. Don't forget to flip.
Done.
Alright, done. Okay, let me see. Let me check. Okay.
Done.
So please flash your answer now. Ready? Go. Lowest term. Lowest term. Do you think yung 21 over 24, kaya pa ba siya? Okay, may nakita na akong tamang sagot. Kay Roshena. Roshena, who else? Wala na yata. Kasi hindi naka-lowest term yung lahat. Roshena is correct. Kasi naka-lowest term yung sa kanya. The correct answer there is 1 and 7/8. Okay? 1 and 7/8. Okay? Sige nga, let me see. Paano nangyari? Sir, how come? So, explain natin dito ng isa pa. Okay? 2 times 4. So, kailangan improper muna natin. That is 8 plus 1 is 9 halves. And then we change the division to multiplication. And then we have 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12 over 5. Okay, but then we need to flip 12 5. So, kopyahin muna natin dito, 9 halves. I-flip natin yung 5 12s, yung 12 5s into 5 12s. And then, saka na kayo mag-multiply. 9 times 5, that is 45. And then 2 times 12, that is 24. Kaya lang, kailangan nyo siyang i-divide. Okay? So, paano? Dito natin sa explain ng sunod. Ay. Dito na lang. So, divide nyo lang sa class. 45 divided by 24. Ilan ba? Ayan, dito natin siya i-divide. Kahit maliit lang. So, that is 1. 1 times 24. Okay. So, divide i-minus natin 21. So, kaya ang sagot ninyo kanina mali kasi ang sagot dapat is 1 and 21 over 24. Tama naman. Kaya lang, katulad ng lagi kong inuulit, ang sagot ba ay naka-lowest term, naka-simplify? Hindi. Kasi ang 1 and 21, 24, pwede pang ma-lowest term yung 21 over 24. Ano yung GCF? 3. Kaya, pag ni-lowest term natin yung 1 and 21 over 24, okay, the correct answer there is 1 and 7/8. Ayun yung magiging final answer natin. Did you get it? Pero tama naman, nakuha nyo naman yung process. That's correct. Kaya nga lang, hindi kayo nag-lowest term. So, dahil may na-miss kayong isang rule, ano yung sagot ninyo? Paano natin i-consider? Is it correct or wrong? Still wrong. Kasi nga, hindi nyo na-consider yung last rule natin, which is to simplify the answer. Okay? Ayan. So, let's proceed. Let's have question number 2. Okay, ready? Go.
Liman mo yan! Ayaw!
Please say done if you're finished answering.
Dan po.
Done? Sure? Check your answers, check the process. Did I really follow the rule, or did I apply what I learned, the processes on how to divide? Take note, copy the first fraction, change the division into multiplication, flip the divisor. But if it is mixed number, you need to change it first to improper fraction. Nag-aano ako ng happy birthday sa mga may birthday. Are you done? Yes? Sige nga, let me see your answers in 3, 2, 1, go! Flash it. Wow, nice. I can see that everyone is, wow. So I'm glad that halos lahat na tama yung sagot. Majority. 2 and 6, 13 is correct. Very good. So I'm giving you a clap because as I can see, lahat na nakakuha dun sa process, or I mean dun sa way kung paano kung mixed number yung magiging problem. Okay? Let's proceed to number 3. Huwag kalimutan yung una nating rule ha, yung pag whole number, piniflip. I mean, mas madali naman yung kumpara dito, kaya I know hindi nyo maano yun. Okay, next. Let's say 10 and 1/2 divided by okay, let's say wala mo ng ano dito. Wala mo ng mix. Let's say divide natin siya into 9/10. Okay, ready? Go.
Done.
Are you done? Yes? Not yet. Okay, go. Take your time. Those are still, solving on the problem. Okay, since we're done with multiplication, diba, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So next time that we'll meet in mathematics, we'll practice more the four operations in solving fractions. So we'll add, we'll subtract, we'll multiply, and divide. Okay? So yun na lang yung gagawin natin. Kasi tapos na tayo class today with our math class. But then we will still meet one time para ma-review lang lahat. Kasi sa second quarter, decimals na tayo eh. Sa ibang ano naman yun, yugto. So kailangan, bago tayo mag-decimals, we need to master it first. Because same, fraction is related to decimals. Okay? Lahat naman ng number. May pasok naman yung hapon. Yes. 1 p.m. I'm still thinking if I will teach English or ESP, pero it's pwedeng isa dun sa dalawa. It's either English or ESP. Kasi yung science, okay na tayo sa science. Inintay ko na lang yung project ninyo na ipapasa kailan? December? Kailan
Sir,
ngayon?
yung project ko ba dadalhin sa school?
Hindi, pipicturean lang. O pwedeng pwedeng i-video or i-ano nyo. Yung finished product nyo, i-ano nyo. Kasi we cannot do the face-to-face way in submitting projects. Okay, are you done? Yes, will you please show the answer? Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. Ayan, di na naman nag-lowest term. Ayan. Okay, as I can see, Roshena got it correct. Hannah, correct. Kia, correct. Okay. Who's this? Angelica is correct. Diana, correct. Jaisley is also correct. Sophia, also correct. Kia is correct. Aliyah is correct. There you have it. Cassandra is correct. Amika. Okay, let's check. Ayan, kasi may marami nagkamali, so kailangan kong explain ulit class. Alright? Okay. See, so dito, magawin niyo muna siya improper. So that is 2 times 10 is 20, plus 1 is 21. And then, you're going to change and then reciprocate. Or get the reciprocal of 9/10. So this 10 over 9. Just flip. Pwede tayo mag-cancellation dito, class. Ito pwede nyo itong i-cancel. Para ito maging 5. Ito magiging 1. Ito i-cancel nyo ito, magiging 3 to. Ito magiging 7. So, 7 times 12, that is 35. And then 1 times 3 is 3. And then, final answer na ba yung 35 over 3? Definitely not. So you're going to get the mixed form of that number, of that fraction, by dividing. 1, and then 3, and then 0. Bring down 5. 5 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So you get it, 11. And then the remainder is 2. And then copy 3. So the answer is 11 and 2/3. Right? Kasundan? It's okay kung nagkakamali. At least this is the process on getting there para ma-master natin. So, okay, let's proceed to number 4. But yung nakakuha ng sagot kasi mamaya ipa-flash nyo yung nyo. Ganito yung pagbibigay ulit ng nakuhang score. Sa ating GC, ilalagay nyo, first part, ilan yung nakuha. Second part na to ilan yung nakuha. Okay? Same thing. Be honest. Kasi nakikita ko rin naman kung sino yung tama. Kaya pag nakalagay doon na 5 or 4 yung correct answers, tapos nakita ko hindi naman ganun yung naging output mo or nakuha ang tamang sagot. So, babawasan ko tuloy yung score. So, let's have 1. Palitan natin. Let's say 5 and 2/7 divided by 2 again over 7. Okay, ready? Go.
Dan.
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 Okay. So, sige, let's see. Dito natin malalaman.
Hindi pa ako, Dan.
Okay, hindi pa. Okay, yeah, give few seconds. Man, ano ba yun? Yung gawa mo? Your hair. It's covering your eyes already. Ilang months ka nang hindi nagpagupit? Dan. Oh, marami namang Dan. Dan. Okay na? Yes? Okay, let's check. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ayan, nagkakaiba na naman kayo ng sagot. Pero may mga tama naman. Roshena is correct. Diane is correct. Marius correct. Sophia, Santara, Hannah, Akiko, Cassie, Jaisley, Mia. May I see your answer, Mia? Jillian, I mean Dana. Nababasa ko yung buong pangalan. Mia is correct. Okay. Parang si Anika, hindi ko nakikita nagpa-flash. Mahina ba connection ni na Anika? Sir, may nag-chat sa akin, okay lang, hindi ko tinatawag kasi nag-chat sa akin, mahina connection. Kaya sabi ko makinig na lang muna kahit hindi na muna mag-open ng cam. How about Abam? Hello, Abam. Are you there? Abam celebrated his birthday also, I think yesterday or the other day. Am I right? Yes. And then today, who's celebrating?
Sir,
Yes.
di ko po nabubuksan camera ko.
Hmm. So, kung hindi, ilagay na lang yung sagot sa chat. Di ba pwede naman kayo ano ng sagot sa chat? Hindi sa chat ng ating ng GC natin dito. I mean, ng Google Meet kasi makikita ng lahat. Sa chat sa akin, sa Facebook, pwede nyo ilagay. Para can still participate. Okay, take note. Still may participation. Kailangan nagpa-participate. That is included. Kasi nga walang exam, walang quarterly exam. So saan ko makukuha yung rating o yung grade? How you actively participate in our online class during real time. Okay? And submission of outputs. Meron dito sobrang agang magpasa. At maayos naman. Meron namang on time at maayos din. Okay? Meron talagang late. As in, late ng 2 days, 3 days, or even 4 days. Tagal, di ba? Okay. Anyway.
Sir,
Okay, let's check. Ay, nag-check na pala tayo, ano? Tama. 18.5. Okay, ano natin? In class, it's already 9. Sabi ko 9 lang tayo, pero 9:30 na ulit. Pero it's okay. Mag-extend tayo at least hanggang 9:20. So, 35 plus 2 is 37. Kasi we have meeting, but then okay naman maghintay yung meeting. Kasi kailangan ma-correct, maano muna to. So, that is over 7. Change it to multiplication and reciprocal or flip it. Ang pangit ng 7. Okay, flip. Alright. O pwede kayo mag-cancel. Ito kasi pwede nyo itong alisin eh. Kasi pareho lang naman sila. 1-1 na yun eh. Diba? Kasi GCF nila is 7 din. So, cancel. So, naging ano na siya. 37 halves. Tapos, pag nandito ka na sa 37 halves, so pwede ka nang mag-improper. Okay. That is 2. That is 1, 2, okay, 17, and then we have 8. 8 times 3 is 16, and then 17 minus 16 is 1. So the answer is 18 and 1 half. Okay, that's it. Very good. Yes, any questions?
sir, yung first part po natin para pong hanggang number 4 lang.
4 lang ba yon? Or 5? 4 lang? Ah, okay. I
4
thought
lang,
5 na
4
yun.
po.
Ah, sige. Over 4. Ilagay nyo kung ilang over ha, kasi baka ma-record ko over 5, over 4 lang pala. Okay. So, ayan. Let's proceed to the last question. Akala ko naka 5 na ako doon. So, this is the final question. So, we have 20 and 3/5 divided by 1 and 3/10. Fun to class Yan. Ready? Go! Medyo malaki yan, pero I know you can do that. class, while you're still solving for that, kasi medyo mahaba nga yan. So one of these days, so I will call for a parents meeting through virtual also. Ganito rin, okay? So I hope they can attend. Sino yung, pwede magtaas ng kamay, sino yung ang parents na sa bahay lang ngayon? I mean, nasa bahay, usually. Marami naman. Sino yung working outside? Okay. So, pwede bang pakilagay nyo class sa GC kung ano yung available time nila. Halimbawa, kung anytime, pwede nyo ilagay dun sa chat. Halimbawa, Eman, anytime. Okay, halimbawa, may nag-work outside. Halimbawa si Kia. Kia, 5 p.m. Okay, mga ganon. Okay? Para alam ko kung anong time possible na lahat maka-attend. Or baka sa work, may break time naman, pwedeng through Google Meet. Kasi i-Google Meet lang naman yun, di ba? O-open lang niya yung link, tapos makikinig lang. Tapos kung mayroong tanong, pwede naman mag-open. Anywhere actually can attend. Kahit nasaan ka pa. Kahit nga nagta-travel, pwede eh. Nasa loob ng bus, pwede naka-open ng... Kaya na. Ayan. Habang naglalaba o nakalagay yung cellphone dun sa harap. Ayan. Sir, abang kukusot ng ganyan, pwede nagtatanong. Ayan. Ngayon, mas sobrang aluan na, di ba? Magaan. Anytime or pwedeng anything na ginagawa, makaka-attend na. Okay. Done. Okay, let's check. Sino hindi pa? Alright. So, meron pang hindi tapos. So, let's wait. Ayan, nag-overtime na naman ako, 9:20. Ay.
Sir, saan pong GC ilalagay? Dun po sa may kasamang parents o dun po sa atin lang? Nakamute po kayo.
Wait nga ako. Doon na lang sa pahimis. Kasi, interview niyo muna. Pero sabi ko nga, kahit nasa work pwede, sabi lang naman yun eh. Oo, may break time or pwede naman. Halimbawa, let's say 1 p.m. nag-schedule. Pwede naman makasama. Kasi class, this is to discuss how we, our situation for the first quarter. Kasi nga, magsi-second quarter na sa January. So, kailangan natin ma-improve whatever needs to be improved. And kung sa mga internet connection, I want to hear kung ano yung naging problem. Bakit minsan di makakonect and what we can do. Kasi as far as I know naman, nagsasend ako ng video. But I don't know kung napapanood ba yung video. Pero nakikita ko naman may mga views. Kaya I think naman napapanood yung YouTube videos. But then still, I still want to hear your parents. Kung ano yung nagiging problem, ano yung pwede natin gawin, improvement for the next quarter. Kasi we'll have this kind of, modality until fourth quarter hanggang July. ng 2021. So, that's why we need to, solve problems kung meron man or issues. Kung may mga internet connection problem, anong pwedeng gawin? Okay ba yung panonood ng YouTube or we can do some more? Okay, let's flash your answer now. And 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan. So, nakita ko parang iba-iba na naman kayo ng sagot. But nakakita na ako ng mga tamang sagot. And I'm very happy kasi meron sa inyo talagang na-perfect yung ating activity for today. Hindi ko nababanggitin pero mamaya makikita ko na lang dun sa ilalagay yung score kung honest ba talaga o hindi. Okay? Roshan is correct. Hannah, Aliyah, Santara, Sophia, Cassie, Diana, Akiko, Mia, nasaan na yung whole number? Kasi may whole number yan na 15. Kasi ang laki ng number, di ba? Jester is correct. Sino pa yung hindi ko nababasa? I-ano muna. Dana, Kia, correct. Cassie, yes. Sophia. Alright. Hindi ko lang makabasa masyado, Jaisley, pero kita ko na pala. Jaisley, correct. Kita ko naman. Ganyan. Okay. Yung pwesto mo, Jaisley, parang against the light ka. No, pansin niya. Napansin niyo, parang against the light. Yan. Medyo i-ano mo sa ng bintana. Parang yung camera mo, kung magagawa ng way na hindi nakaano sa bintana. Pero kita ko naman. Okay na muna yan for now. Saka mo na lang ayusin pag ano na. Okay na. Sinong hindi ko natawag? Baka hindi ko natawag okay. Natanong na agad ni Aliyah. Yung mami niya. Okay. Ayan, i-explain ko class. Kung meron pa rin part na nahihirapan, so still, pwede nyo i-refer yung book. Merong mga explanation doon class. And then pwede nyo balikan yung video na to para ma-check. Pero dito, kung titignan nyo class, that is 5 times 20. That is 100 plus 3, 103. Diba? So, copy lang yung denominator. So, gano'n naman lagi. Pag ginagawa natin improper fraction, tapos gawin natin multiplication. And then 10 times 1 is 10, plus 3 is 13. And then copy 10. And then sa kabila, natin na, i-reciprocal natin or i-flip. Mas madali kasi tandaan class yung word na flip kaysa reciprocal. Pero pag narinig yung flip, reciprocal yun. Ibig sabihin, binabaliktad lang. Ayun nga, piniflip. And mas gustong gamitin yung flip kasi madaling tandaan. Pag reciprocal kasi yun? Diba? Hahanapin pa sa diksyonaryo. Okay. Pwede kayo mag-cancellation para mabilis. Para ito 1 na to agad, ito ay 2. Okay? Pero pag hindi, i-multiply yung ng buo. 103 times 10. 5 times 13. So dahil 103 sa kato na lang yung natira, that is 206. Tapos, 1 times 13, that is 13. I-divide nyo lang yung 206 sa 13, di ba? So divide natin. So ilang 13 meron sa 20 muna. So definitely may 1. And 13. And then 20 minus 13, that is 7. Bring down 6. Ilang 13 meron sa 76, that is 5. Because the answer there is 65. Tapos may remainder siya na 11. Kaya ang sagot is 15 and 11 over 13. There you have it. Okay? You get it? Yes. So I hope it's clear at kayo naman laging nagsosolve. Laging mag-try. Okay, keep on trying. Keep on solving. Pag nakita sa book, isolve ng isolve bago mag-final answer, talagang i-try yung best ninyo na magagawa para makuha yung sagot. So we'll answer the following sa book. So we'll start on page 105. Meron diyang sasagutan na practice. Sasagutan natin yung practice na A, B, and C. Sasulat ko na lang din kasi dun sa ating GC. And then, quiz, sasagutan din natin yun. Apply and try this challenge. Tapos, meron tayong solving more on fractions. Pero wag na muna yan. Next time na yan. Hanggang nun muna, okay? So, ilalagay ko na lang sa ating GC. Wait for that. And then, please, mag-CR muna or kumain muna ng snacks and then balik. Yun ang gawin. Mag-solve, mag-study hanggang 11:30. Kasi math class naman yun hanggang 11, di ba? Hanggang 10:30 or 11. Alright, that's it for today. I hope it's clear already, lalo na yung class yung mga nakaraan, yung addition, subtraction, multiplication, and today we have division. Next meeting natin, yung 4 na yon, re-review natin lahat. Okay? Mag-prepare pa rin kayo ng show me board, or possible pa rin magkahot pa rin tayo, or possible sa Jamboard, i-apply nyo na yung Jamboard, i-access nyo na lahat, tapos doon na kayo maglalagay ng answer. Okay? Nang sabay-sabay. Kasi pwede ma-access yung Jamboard. Okay, wala nang tanong. So, let's greet first those who are celebrating their birthday. Sino-sino nga yun? So, we have si Abang. Celebrated his birthday yesterday or the other day. And then we have also Mia also celebrating. Today, is it today? Mia, right? Yes, December 1. Okay, so ito lang muna yung maibibigay ko sa inyo kasi wala naman akong ibang. Happy birthday to dear one. To dear two. Happy birthday this for Abang. Yung nakaraan hindi ko nag-greet si ano, sino ba yun? May nag-celebrate yung nakaraan si Kia ba? Or si Ann? Sino? Okay, happy birthday again. Medyo nag-ano yung music natin. Dahil siguro sa internet connection. Sino sunod na birthday ng December? Sino pa? Si Hana?
Eman po, tsaka po si Hana.
Kailan si Eman?
Si Eman po.
Kailan si Eman? December ano?
18 po.
18. Si Hana?
24 po.
December 24 po.
Oh.
Si Hana.
Oh, double celebration. December 24. Okay. Isang handaan na lang, no? Pasko at saka birthday. Okay. Album and Mia. Happy birthday again. See you class later at 1 p.m. God bless you all.
Bye, sir. Thank you po, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you po.
Sir.
Bye po.
Thank you po.
Okay. God bless you all.